Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, December 2nd. A shortened session on Friday saw gains given up, but we did finish positive in the Nasdaq, new all-time highs there. But let's start with the S&P and the Dow. S&P and Dow did back off their highs. We ended up finishing at 1804, down a quarter in the E-mini S&P. New highs at 1812 and a half, lows at 1802 and three quarters. So it gave up the gains. We had some selling at the end of the session there on Friday, some profit-taking sales unwinding. Dow futures ended up being down 8 ticks at 16,066. The Nasdaq was the leader once again, up another 0.5%. 34.87 up 19. The gain on the week was 1.7% as the tech shares continue to roll. The dollar index was down 9.8066. New relative lows 8.049, so pushing below that 80.50 level. That pushed the euro currency up 135.87 up 14. 136.23 was the high there in the euro on Friday. Bonds were unchanged. Crude oil was up 42 cents at 92.72. 92.06 was the low on Friday, so basing out at 92 maybe. Gold added $12, came right back to that pivot, that $12.50 we keep talking about. $12.50 is where it closed. It did gain $6 on the week, even though it feels like gold was going nowhere fast. So after the action on Friday, where we made new highs and backed off a bit, where do we stand on this Monday morning to start a new trading week and a new trading month? Well, right now we're unchanged. 1804 in the E-mini S&P as we stand right now. We're up a few points right now in the Dow futures at 16,070 up 4. The Nasdaq continues to roll. Right now we're at 34.93 as we stand, up another 6 points, up 5 points in the tech shares. Currencies are giving back some of the gains from Friday. We're down in the euro currency, 135.45, down 42. The dollar's bouncing back up some here at 8088, up 23, still stuck within a range. Bonds have turned lower. We're at 131.15, down at 3/4 of a full point in the 30-year treasuries. The yield on the 30-year treasuries has moved up to 3.84% and taking the 10-year note yield up to 2.72%. Crude oil's unchanged at 92.72. Crude oil seems like it got beat down real hard last week, but it was only down $2 on the week. And as we stand in the gold market, gold with the stronger dollar, you figured out gold is down 12 at 12.39 an ounce is where we stand with gold. So wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. We're steady to unchanged right now in the stock futures. 1804 is where we sit with the S&P. The high from last week was 1812 and a half. We did have another positive week in the Dow and the S&P to extend this streak, but some heavy profit taking at the end of the session on Friday as the month finished up. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.